Very good day, students. We'll start a lesson with this 2 glass full of water. See, you can see the water. It is so clear, good for drinking. And see the other glass. You can see the dirt, dust, sand in the water. So, which water is good for drinking purpose? This clean water, it is good for our health. It is good for drinking purpose. So, today we will see EVS 1 4th lesson, water safe for drinking. Now, here I have some substances. In these substances you can see sugar, then you can also see salt, alum, turmeric, then sand. Now we will take water in a bowl and we'll put these substances in bowl. Now I will put some sugar in the bowl. Now I will stir the spoon and you can see the sugar have completely dissolved in the water. So it is a solution now. It is a solution of sugar and water. Now what is the solution? When a substance dissolves in water and makes a mixture of that substance and water, that is called as the solution. Now here, as I have put sugar in the water, now the whole sugar is dissolved, spread throughout the water. Now this water became sweet. Now we'll put the other substance, that is we'll put salt and I will stir. Now again the salt have completely disappeared. So it dissolved in the water. So in this way this water have become salty now. Now I will take the third bowl. I will put turmeric in that. Now I will stir. See, we can see turmeric does not dissolve in water. We can see that turmeric will settle down. It will sit down. It will not get dissolved in water. See, turmeric we can see. Now we will take fourth bowl. Then we will put this alum powder. Alum powder means like that alum we can get. Alum in Hindi we call it as fitkiri and Marathi we call it as turti. So I have made powder of that alum and we can see the alum also dissolve in the water. Now already in this water sand is there, so again I will put sand in this water. So you can see that sand also does not dissolve in the water. Now I will put oil. Now you can see the oil floats on the water. It does not disappear. So like that way there are many things which can dissolve in the water and which does not dissolve in the water. Yes. Then we make lemon sharbat. So lemon sharbat is a solution of lemon, sugar and salt and water. So like that way we can make a solution of lemon sharbat. Now here we can see picture. See, if someone gets loose motions, we give a solution of salt and sugar to drink. Now this solution is called as ORS. It is also called as oral rehydration solution. Now here you can see saline is put and sometimes the doctor also gives medicine in this saline. So like that way saline is put and so medicine is given to the patient. In this way there are some useful solutions. In that solution salt is there, water is there, with that other medicine is also there. So this solution is made for the patient to get recover. Now as this water it became salty, this water it became salty. So in the same way sea water is salty. Why? Because in that sea salt is there. That's why sea water becomes salty. In this way we can get solutions.